Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix no signal issue on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button, click on this restart icon, again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so reinsert SIM card, remove SIM tray and clean. After cleaning, insert SIM card. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone. Click on reset all settings. Click on reset. Enter phone pin. Click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so you will check your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, open quick settings panel. So just swipe down. Turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so last solution is software update. Go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix no signal issue on Note 60 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.